So welcome back to my channel where we talk about my outdoor adventures and the gear I use when I go on them. Today's going to be the last of my subscription for Steel to Reel. This is a Survivor Pro box, so let's see what's inside for August of 2023. So, first thing I see inside is an Oakley case. I'm going to guess this is just a vault because I can't imagine them sending me a pair of Oakley glasses. This is indeed just a place to store some gear or your glasses. It does have a really nice shell. It would keep things from getting squashed. You can feel that it will move a little bit, so it's going to protect stuff from the initial impact. Talk about my blue fingers. I got in a fight with an ink cartridge trying to get it out of my printer earlier this week, and days later the blue is still persisting. So next thing we have here is in-ear impulse hearing protection. So the idea behind this is filter tips can go to help protect your ears. Up to 13 decibel reduction, no batteries required, 2-year limited warranty. Looks like you store them here in this capsule and then you take them out for when you need them. Handy to have. Next item I see in here is the LED reflective safety band. Apparently this is for my wrist. That looks like you just take it off and it velcros together. I'll save you guys the plastic opening up. You push to light it up. So it says. So apparently it will light up. It goes in either a Molly cradle around your wrist or around your ankle. 100 hours of runtime on a CR2032 battery. So handy to have. Next thing I see inside here is a toadfish. Is it just a mug? Non-tipping 10-ounce tumbler. So got a spill-proof lid. See, does it just come off or is it twist? It's really on there. Looks like it's just gonna pull off. It's got quite the seal on there. It is tapered and it says it is spill proof. Okay. This thing down here seems to stick to the table, keeps it from spilling, but it also impairs you being able to pull it up. So we'll see how useful and handy I find that. The last item in this box is a Scallywag Tactical knife. So take a look in the sheath. It is not sharp at all. I'm going to have to work to put a blade on that. It's got a plastic handle. The 420 stainless steel. Decent grip in my hand, but it's super light. Like I said, it is not sharp at all. It's got a fine tip, but I will have to check more into that. So, it does appear to come with a belt loop attachment and the ability to lock it down does not come out. So this month's Survivor Pro comes with the Oakley case with no Oakleys, Safariland earplugs, reflective safety band, this toadfish non-tipping rocks tumbler, and a scallywag tactical knife. So, thanks for watching this video. I will put the price and value here over the content. If this interests you, please like, subscribe in the video. Give me your thoughts. Was this worth the price tag of $100 and some? And if not, tell me what you think should have been included or what you think of the Steel Derail subscription so far for the last 6 months. Until next time, I'll see you on trail.